Right after you hit submit on a homework, this is the screen you're going to get. And you can see I have just done 1.1 and I just did a few of the problems. So if I hit report, right when I hit submit on the homework, you can see this screen, and then you can go, oh my gosh, I missed number 10. Click on number 10 and then click here for an explanation. And that's the explanation of that exact problem. And then don't forget, you also have here your videos and your ebook that go with it. But after you have gone on and you want to go back and look at your homework assignment that you did before and the grade you got, you can go to assignments here, and then you can see that the best score I got was 44. So I click on that, and that's just going to take you right back to the same screen. And that's the easiest way to review the solutions to your homework. And if the due date has already gone by, you can always go to reports here, and then what you're looking for is the reports that says homework. But you can see none of these say homework, so we're going to go to the second page of reports. I'm sorry, it says assignments. So I'm actually going to grab it and move it over to page 1 because that's the only report I really care about. So we can hit view detail, and now this will give you everything that is that you've done, whether it's due or not. So, and I think you can actually probably get to that report back from the assignments list, but you for sure can get to it from the report. And then just a reminder, while I'm here, I want to show you that's where you can get to the ebook. You can also order a $25 printed version of the book. Thanks.